Login failed on Simple Bank app fix. You open your Simple Bank app to check your spending or track your budget, but the login fails. Frustrating, right? Most people jump straight to resetting their password, but the real cause could be something else entirely. Let's fix it step by step. First, double-check your internet connection. Simple Bank's login process is secure and requires a stable network. If you're using public Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data or a private home connection. Next, ensure that your app is up to date. Go to the App Store or Google Play and install any available updates. Outdated versions can block logins because they don't match the bank's latest security protocols. Still seeing the error? Try logging in from your browser at simple.com. If it works there, the problem might be local. Clear your app's cache or uninstall and reinstall the app. This refreshes its connection to Simple's secure servers. If you've recently changed your password, email, or linked account, make sure you're using the updated credentials. Simple often enforces strict authentication to protect users from unauthorized access. Also, check whether Simple Bank's system is under maintenance. When the bank performs upgrades, temporary login issues are common and usually resolve within an hour. Finally, disable any VINs at blockers or third-party security apps. These can interfere with your login session by hiding your device's true IP address. So remember, a failed login doesn't mean your account is compromised. It usually just needs a quick refresh. Check your connection, update the app, and verify your credentials. Within moments, you'll be back in control of your money and budgeting goals.